Brad Williams, Excel primed, conditional formatting. We want to highlight an entire row. How do we do that? Let's take a look. What we have here is just Ron. If Ron shows up, we want to highlight the entire row. D7 equals F7. Well, that just makes sense. D7, Ron. In order to trick Excel into highlighting this entire thing, conditional formatting, if it's a mixed reference, D7 with that dollar sign, it will grab this entire bit of information and highlight it. Use a formula with a mixed reference that locks the column to highlight full rows with conditional formatting. Do I need to read more? When applying conditional formatting, use a formula. The formula is evaluated relative to the active cell in the selection at the time the rule is defined. In this instance, the address of the active cell B7 is entered as a mixed reference, which should be D7, for the row 7 with column D locked and the row left relative. When the rule is tested for each of the 8 cells in B7 to D14, just the rows will be modified, not the columns. Kind of a bit of trickery by just including a dollar signal. It will lock this. So if you want to see how it works, just go into conditional formatting, manage rules, edit rules. Now get rid of this dollar sign here. And see what it does? It eliminates that locking. If we go back, conditional formatting, or just hit Control-C, you're good to go. One of those little tricks within the conditional formatting that will highlight the entire row. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.